Viewers, how are you? So on a special request, one of my viewers told me to come. I was making motivational videos for you. So for some time I didn't come. So though there's a motivational video which will just follow after what I have to tell you, it will just take 1 or 2 minutes. So thank you to give me a chance to come again, my viewers, to share some thought with you today. And I also wish you a happy Lori and happy Makar Sankranti. And hope this 2021 is a fruitful, prosperous year for all of you. So today the motivational video which will just follow is a failure as a road to success. So we all know that success is counted sweetest for those who never face failure. So is that true? I think not. Because success is counted sweetest for those who face failure. So failure is a road to success. That is very important in life. And we all, here are a testimony, including me, that whatever success we got in any proportion is because of some failures we faced in life. So there is no success without a failure. Failure is the road to success, as we talk about in this motivation, is simply that you will only be happy with your success if you have faced failure. So what is failure exactly? So failure is a test which is sent to you by God. So the Almighty tests you. If you do accept failure, take it in your stride, remain positive and bounce back. That is what you have to learn from failure. And definitely then you will definitely get success. And that success which you can count as sweetest. So herein I just want to tell you one myth and a fact in life, and this particular thing has, I don't think ever in any YouTube has been ever told in any motivational videos. So it's a little bit philosophical. So let's see how I tell you this. So Earth is in a solar system, and the almighty sun, which is the star, is giving life to Earth. I hope that's true, right? So how do you see Earth? Earth is a sphere. Sphere means it is not a circle, but it is flat from its edges. So it is flat from the ends. However, Earth is not flat altogether. Earth is not a rectangle. So what I want to say is that suppose Earth was a rectangle and the life was only on the front side. So the side which was facing the sun was receiving all the sunlight, and the one at the back had no life, so that was immaterial. So just imagine Earth being a rectangle and facing all the sunlight. Now understand one thing: day and night are the same thing. When we wake up, we do good morning. We never say good night, which means God has always given you success, has always given you sunlight. It has never given you darkness. Darkness is just a part of sunlight, or what we see day. It is just our ignorance that we say that it's night. It's actually light, because sunlight is always there on Earth. That's why I gave you the example of a rectangle wherein the whole Earth is receiving sunlight at the same time. So today in the east, when it is day, in the west it is night. Basically, it is the same sunlight which is everywhere, because a 10,000 Earths can engulf into one sun. So the light of sun is enough for you to feel good about. And so which means God through sun has given you enough light, enough success. Failure is just like that darkness, which is actually light only. It's just our ignorance and our myth that we feel that it's night. Failure is the road to success, as I always say, which means that failure is a God's way to test you, how you would do well in life. Which means if God is giving you enough failures for a particular task, which means He doesn't want you to do that, there is something in store for you better. That's one learning from a failure. And second learning from your failure is that if you have dreamt something and if you feel that you want to do this thing in life, whatever it is, then just be determined. You will still get failure, which means God wants you to do that. Maybe He's testing you, or He's telling you there is another way to do that. So always accept failure in your stride, be happy with it, and learn from it, and unlearn the mistakes. So that is what I have to say all about failure. And always think that as sunlight is always there on earth, so there is always success for you on earth. The darkness is just a short period of failure which is there, because there is no darkness on this earth. It's always the sunlight which is all abundant. Just because it's a myth that the planet Earth has no sun, no light of its own. It is moving, it is spherical. So by fortune or by whatever you want to say, Earth doesn't get the complete sunlight. So always imagine that sunlight is enough on this earth. Just that if earth is sphere and it can take only one part as sunlight and other part as darkness, doesn't make us believe that there is something called night or darkness, when it is not the case. It is always light which is abundant, given to you. You guys have immense potential by God, and by God's mercy and by God's greatness, everything is bestowed on you. You just have to realize it. Till then, you enjoy the video and have a great time ahead. Bye.